Hey, thanks for dropping by. Today we're working on the C major scale on the A, D, and G strings, and also the G, B, and high E strings. This is the perfect way to learn your fretboard notes. We'll start on the second fret of the A string with our index finger. Then we'll use our middle finger for the third fret and our pinky for the fifth fret. We'll then repeat the same technique on the D string. Then, on the G string, we'll start with our index finger on the second fret, and then it continues to the fourth fret with the index finger, the fifth fret with our middle finger, and the seventh fret with our pinky. Next, we'll continue on the B string, starting with our index finger on the fifth fret, our middle finger on the sixth fret, and our pinky on the eighth fret. Now the high E string. We'll use our index finger on the fifth fret, our ring finger on the seventh fret, and our pinky on the eighth fret. And then we'll start all over again on the second fret of the A string. We'll start at 60 BPM, then go to 70 and end at 80 BPM. Ready? Let's go. Okay, very well done. Now we'll continue at 70 BPM. All right, ready for 80 BPM? Let's go! And that's it. Very well done.
I'll see you in my next video, where you can improve your technique even more and take on new challenges.
Feel free to leave a comment if you like this video.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos.
And don't forget, playing guitar is not a one-night stand. It's a never-ending love story.
And yes, this video was also made by real people for real people. See you next time.